Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some stuffed avocados in the air fryer. Super delicious and keto friendly snack. You'll need 1 avocado, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and for toppings I totally forgot to include in this clip some cheddar cheese. So you'll need some shredded cheddar cheese, some bacon bits, and I like spicy, so I'm using tapatio or sriracha, whatever you prefer, and some green onions. You'll start off by cutting your green onions and cut your avocado in half. Be careful since you'll be using a knife. And then you'll want to remove the pit. You can use a spoon, or I actually just use my knife. So, bam. Once the pit is removed, you'll go ahead and remove some of your avocado. If you try and just break your egg in there without removing some of this, you'll have a big mess. So don't do that. Then you'll crack your egg, and some of it might spill, but not most of it. So that's okay. And then what I like to do is I like to just place them in my air fryer, so it makes it a bit easier before adding the salt, the pepper, and like I mentioned, the cheese. I forgot to include that in the first clip, because who doesn't like cheese? It gives it more flavor and it's still keto friendly. You'll want to start your air fryer. I did 400 degrees for 10 minutes because I like my egg well cooked. If you like it runny, yours will probably be done like around 6 or 7 minutes. So once it's halfway, I wanted you guys to peek in there and see it's almost melted and it's almost ready. And once it's done, I let it cool off for a bit, and then I start putting my toppings, which were the green onions, the bacon bits, and I like spicy, so I put some sriracha. And that's the final result. How yummy and delicious does this look? If you are not yet subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!